Hello and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at Cost Explorer. So Cost Explorer is a very powerful visual tool to, as the name suggests, explore your costs. So here, for example, we have costs of EC2 instances and they're broken down by instance type, which is color. You can also change the dimension that is broken down by to AWS servers, geographical region, cost allocation tags, account, etc. So you can look at it in many different ways and slice it and dice it how you like. This is a monthly chart, but you can change the granularity to a different time scale. So for example, this one is at hourly level. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can also generate reports with Cost Explorer. They will be called cost and usage reports, but technically they'll be different to the cost and usage reports tool in AWS. So keep that in mind. You can generate reports in Cost Explorer. And another thing that's important for the exam is that you can create forecasts for up to 12 months ahead. You can forecast what your costs will be like as your account grows. So that is an important thing to keep in mind for the exam. And also keep in mind for the exam that Cost Explorer can provide recommendations on reserved instances and savings plans. So there we go. Here's a quick summary of what we discussed. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. And until then, enjoy the cloud.